Hi friends, let's have a look non-functional testing. So in a non-functional testing is a type of software testing that focus on performance and also evaluating the security, usability and other non-functional aspects of a system. So it has like different non-functional testing types are performance testing, which has load testing, stress testing and volume testing, and also a security testing, recovery testing, compatibility testing, configuration testing, installation testing and garbage testing. So these are some main types which we consider during the non-functional testing. Thank you.